your exam is tomorrow, so we are going to solve some question randomly, and if you have any question you can comment as soon as possible so I can upload, I can bring here, I can solve for you in this video. So let's take a start. First of all, we are going to solve these two questions from solve. We have to take LCM. What is the LCM? You can see here. Here is 6 and 4. So 6 and 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. And at last we have to multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So what is the LCM here? 12. After that, what we have to do? 6 and 12 we have to divide. We get 2. 2 into x. We have to write here 2x plus 4 and 12 we have to divide. 3 3 into x we have to write here 3x is equal to 5. After this we have to add here. We get here 5x by 12 is equal to 5, or 5x is equal to 5 into 12, or x is equal to 5 into 12 divided by 5. This and this cancel, therefore x is equal to 12. Hope you understand. If you have any question, please comment from which exercise, which number, and you can upload the question too. So if you have any question, please comment your question so I can bring, I can solve here in this live video. This live video especially for class 8 students. Okay, this question I'm going to solve now. First of all, what we have to do, we have to cross multiply this and this, we have to multiply this and this, we have to multiply. So 7x plus 3 is equal to this and this, multiply 2 3x plus 7. After this we have to multiply 7 into x, 7x plus 7 into 3, 21 is equal to 2 into 3, 6x plus 7 to the 14. In this way we have to do. After this we have to arrange and we have to solve. So 7x, you can see these two are unlike terms, so we have to arrange. 6x we have to take here, so we have to write minus 6x because it is positive, is equal to 14. 21 we have to take at last, so we have to write minus 21 because here is plus 21. After this we have to solve, therefore 7x minus 6x we get x is equal to 14 minus 21, plus minus minus we have to subtract, sign we have to give minus because 21 is greater, and 14 minus 21 is 7. Hello Siddhartha, if you have any question please comment. This video especially for class 8. If you have any question please comment. Now next question I'm going to solve. Question is 3x minus 9x square is equal to 0. Like this question, so very important, and these all questions are taken from question bank. And this live video is especially for class 8 students who are going to give exam tomorrow. Teach me solve graphically. Okay, I will bring in this video only. Keep supporting and keep sharing this video so other students can join here. So we have a question, 3x minus 9x square is equal to 0. Sir, can you teach me quadratic equation? Yes, I will teach you in this live video only. Be here and please invite your friends too. So here we have to 3 and 9, we have to take common 3. This question is from quadratic equation only. Common is 3. Here is x square, so common is x, we can take here. What is remaining here is nothing, so we have to write 1 minus 3 into which number it will be 9. 3 3s are 9. From x square, x is common, so remaining x is equal to 0. After taking common we have to take either and or, so let's take either and or. Either 3x is equal to 0, so we can write 3x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by 3, x is equal to 0. Similarly, or this we have to take is equal to 0, so 1 minus 3x is equal to 0. 1 is equal to 3x, we have to take right side, here is negative, so we have to write on positive, and 3 we have to divide, so 1 by 3 is equal to x, therefore x is equal to 1 by 3. Hope you understand. This question is taken from quadratic only. Next question. Question is there, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. The question which I am writing here, this is all from question bank, from BLE said book. Okay, so keep supporting and sharing with your friends so they can join as soon as possible and learn the basic concept, because exam is tomorrow or day after tomorrow of mathematics. Now here we have to solve, and you can score from here 2 to 4 marks. Love you from Nepal. Same to you, man. Now you can see here we have to solve means we have to find out the value of x. This question is taken from quadratic equation. From here you can score 4 marks. Last question, 25 number, this type of question you will get in 25. number, and 4 marks you can score. So what we have to do, first of all, what we have to do, we have to factorize this part. Hope you understand how to factorize. While multiplying 2, while subtracting 1, we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 2 and subtraction is 1. So what we have to write, x square minus, we have to write here 2 minus 1 x minus 2. When you multiply 2 and 1, we get 2. When you subtract, here is minus, so we have to subtract. When you subtract this 2, we get here 1 is equal to 0. After this, what we have to do, we have to open the bracket. So x square minus 2 into x, 2x minus minus plus 1 into x, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Or take from here x common, common is x, remaining x minus 2. From here nothing we can take common, so we can write plus 1 and remaining x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 common, and the remaining x plus 1, so we can write here x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either x minus 2 is equal to 0, we have to find out the value of x, so x is equal to 2. When you take 2 to the right side, we have to write positive 2. Or we can write x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to what happened when you take 1 to the right side, we have to write minus 1 because here is plus 1. Hope you understand this question taken from quadratic equation. So more question I am going to solve from quadratic equation and simplification, SCF, LCM in this video. So next one, question from 22 number. From here you will score 4 marks. Question number 22 is there from BLE. Factorize is there, 2 factorize is there, and please do it together. Take out your copy and book and try it. Now look at here, this type of question you will get score 4 marks from here. Okay, keep trying, write on the question and try with me, because this live video especially for class 8 students whose exam is tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please teach me congruent. Okay, I will bring congruent this live video for 1.5 hours. So I will solve each and every question. You just comment from which lesson and I will solve it. Now look at here from question number 22. I took this question. First of all, we have to arrange this, so we can write here, sorry, this one is a cube, so a cube plus b cube, and these two terms we have to write at last, minus a minus b. Okay, now a cube plus b cube, what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now from here we have to take minus common, and then we can write here a. When you take minus common, minus will change and become plus, so a plus b. Now after this a plus b, we can take a plus b common, and the remaining a square minus ab plus b square. This we have to write here. Here is minus minus, here is nothing remaining, so we have to write on 1. And next question is there, this a number and b number, x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1. Okay, after this I will do congruent and similar, and then graphical too, which is asked in question number 25, graph question 25 number, 4 marks you can score. Look at this question, and after this we will do congruency and similarity. Okay, similarity we have to do after this question. Now look at here, first of all what we have to do, we have to use formula a square minus b square. Maximum student will use formula here, which is mistake. If you use formula of a square minus b square, you are absolutely wrong, you are doing wrong process. When you when you use formula from here, we cannot take any elements common. Okay, so first of all we have to arrange. You can see here, here is 2y, so we have to take y and we have to take 1. Look at here how to do. X square we have to take minus common. What we have to write? Y square minus 2y plus 1. When you take minus common, in the place of plus we have to write minus, in the place of minus we have to write on plus. We have to change the sign. After this, x square minus, convert this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write y square minus 2a means y, b means we have to write 1 plus b square means 1 square. So x square minus, this is in the form of formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square, so we can write y minus 1 whole square. Now you can see this is in the form of formula of a square minus b square, so we can write x plus A means what? X, and B means y minus 1. So x plus y minus 1 and x minus y. Because of this minus will be plus 1. Hope you understand this factorization. Now next question is from congruency and similarity. Okay, so keep watching and sharing with your friends. So please invite your friends so they can learn how to prove congruency and solve similarity questions. So this question is taken from BLE question bank. Now I'm going to solve questions related with congruency. This angle and this angle is given. I will provide you question to these two sides also equal. So question I will read here: by which axioms ABC, triangle ABC and triangle PQR congruent? By which axiom, by which test these two are congruent, we have to show, and we have to write down corresponding sides, and we have to write down corresponding sides also. Okay, solution. Hope you understand the question. A question, just I copied the diagram. You can see here we have a question. This question I'm going to solve from congruency 6C, and then we will do 7A, which is from similarity. Okay, so in this question, what is here? By which axiom these two triangles are congruent? We have to show congruent. By which test, by which axiom these two are congruent, and write the pair of corresponding sides, and we have to write down corresponding sides. Now look at here. Uh, we have 5 tests to show that congruent. You can see here one side and another side. These two sides are equal. In number 1 we can write these two sides are equal. In number 2 we can write these two angles also equal. Okay, then again you can write in number 3 this side and this side is equal. If we have 3 statement, then two triangles are congruent. So what we can write here: number 1, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What we have to write in number 1? We have to write AB and PQ are equal. So we can write AB is equal to PQ. What is here reason? Given, because already mentioned in the diagram these two lines are equal. After that, in number 2 we have to write this angle and this angle are equal. So we can write angle BAC. BAC, this angle and this angle means QPR is equal to angle QPR. These two angles also equal, this also given. Okay, these two also given. In number 3 we can write this side and this side equal. AC is equal to PR. And in number 3 we have to write here this also given. Already mentioned here these two sides are equal. In number 4 we can write, now you can see here we have a 3 statement. This one is side, this one is angle, and this one is side. You can draw inside one box also. So we can write here triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. By which test these two triangles are congruent? By SAS axiom or congruency test you can write. After that we have to write down corresponding sides also and corresponding angles also. Now you can see this side already equal, this side and this side also equal. So which one is remaining? BC and QR. So we have to write here BC is equal to QR. Let's write on BC is equal to QR. Remaining side means this two only. So we have to write BC is equal to QR. And reason why we have to write corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Okay, after this we have to write down corresponding angle also. Now which angles are equal? You can see here this AB and PQ are equal or not. In front of this side, which angle is this? Angle C or not? In front of this side, this angle in front of this side, which angle is this? Angle R. So angle C is equal to angle R. Okay, so what we can write here to write angle C? ACB we have to write. So angle ACB is equal to angle, for this what we have to write to write down angle R? PRQ. So angle PRQ. Okay, next this angle and this angle also equal. This angle in front of this double dash, in front of double dash, which angle is this? Angle Q. So angle B is equal to angle Q. So what we can write here? ABC. So we can write here angle ABC is equal to this angle PQR. So we can write angle PQR, and here we have to write corresponding angles of congruent triangle. Hope you understand. And we have to write at last proved. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent. After writing three statements, we have to show these two triangles are congruent, and after that remaining sides and remaining angles are corresponding sides and corresponding angles also equal. Next question is there from similarity, and question is, I will draw the diagram. So please, if you are new, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe, and please share with a friend so they can join my live videos. Questions from BLE model questions which I'm solving here. R Q P S T. Here 12 centimeter given, and this one is 4 centimeter, and here 10 centimeter. This question from similarity. Here according to question, what is there? Triangle PQR and triangle PST are similar. Try to understand, these two triangles are similar, and we have to find out QR. We have to find out QR. Question already I wrote there. Now look at properly this question. These two triangles are already similar. To be a similar, what we have to show? Three angles or two angles are equal. Which triangle? Look at properly here. PQR. PQR, big triangle it means. And after that PST. PST, small triangle. So in big triangle, this angle, and in small triangle, this angle, both angles are equal, being corresponding angle. Okay. Next, in big triangle, big one, PQR, this angle, and in small triangle, this angle are equal. What is the reason? Being corresponding angle. Why? Because these two lines are parallel, so one angle is inside and one is outside of these two parallel line, so being corresponding angle. And after this angle is common angle for big triangle also, and for small triangle also. This angle is common. Okay, this angle for both the triangles, दुईटैको लागि हो. Okay, now what we have to find out? QR we have to find out. So we can write here triangle PQR, similar triangle PST. This already mentioned in the question, this already given. Okay, now we have to write down corresponding sides. So ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So what we have to write? We have to write down. Now look at here. When two triangles are similar, we how to write down corresponding sides? So which triangle we took here? PQR or not? So we have to take sides of PQR. So we have to write here PQ. Look at properly here. We have to write PQ, then QR, then RP or PR we have to write down. Okay, hope you understand this one. We took triangle PQR, then side of PQR we have to write PQ, QR and PR. Okay, now downside, in denominator what we have to write? Look at properly here. PQ for big triangle, in front of this angle or not? In big triangle. And look at now small, these two angles are equal. In front of this angle, which side is there? PS. So we have to write here PS. Do you understand or not? Now look at here. QR in big triangle. QR means side of big triangle. This in front of this angle or not? In front of common angle. And in small triangle, in front of this angle means which side? ST. So we have to write here ST. Similarly, PR. You can see here PR in big triangle. PR in front of this angle. Yes, in big triangle, not in front. This one for a small triangle, this one for big triangle. PR means side of big triangle. Big triangle means this angle we have to take. Now this angle and this angle are equal. In front of this angle is which side is here? PT. So we have to write here PT. And what is here we have to write on? The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. The ratio of corresponding, my handwriting is not good, but hope you understand. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. Now we have to put the value. What is the value of PQ? PQ, which is 10, so we have to write on 10 by PS. PS, how much here? 4, so we have to write on 4. QR, QR, not given here, nothing is given, so we have to write QR. Similarly, ST, ST, what is there? 12, so we have to write here 12. And next one is there PR, PR, nothing given, so we have to write here PR. After that PT, PT also nothing given, so we have to write on PT. Now what we have to find out here? QR we have to find out. You can see here QR is here. Now which ratio we have to take? This one is first ratio, this one is second ratio, and this one is third ratio. You can see here in third ratio the value is nothing given. PR, value of PR and value of PT is not given. So which one we have to take? First one, because both values are given and here one value is given, so we can easily find out QR. So in next step we have to write taking first and second ratio. Now we have to take first and second ratio. 10 by 4 is equal to QR by 12. Now we have what we have to do? We have to cross multiply this and this, we have to multiply. 10 into 12 by 4 is equal to QR. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Therefore QR is equal to how much? 10 into 3, 30 centimeter. So value of QR is equal to 30 centimeter. This question from Similarity. Hope you understand this question. Next question is there from Simplify. One students demanded there, and I will be back. Yesterday my exam was math exam. Okay, according to province, exam is going on. Tomorrow in Sunsari, I belongs to Sunsari, so tomorrow math exam in Sunsari. Here we have a question. Simplify. One question, maximum times repeated this question in exam. A square minus b square by a plus b divided a square minus ab by ab plus b square. Please share with your friends so student can join and they will demand their questions, demand their chapter, so I can solve here in this live video. Now you can see here this is in the form of a square minus b square, so we have to write formula a square minus b square, formula a plus b, a minus b divided by a plus b. Divide here we can take a square is here, here is a, so we can take a common and the remaining is a minus b divided by ab plus b square. So here is b, here b square, so we can take b common and the remaining a, because b already common, here is a, so a, here is plus, so plus b into which variable we have to take b square, so b into b, it will be b square. Now what we have to write? You can see here a plus b, we can remove same factor, so we can cancel here, remaining a minus b, so we have to write on a minus b. In the place of divide, if you write here multiply, we have to interchange denominator and numerator. It means if down one we have to write up and up one we have to write on downside. We have to find out the reciprocal. We can say b a plus b divided by a minus b. Again you can see a minus b and a minus b cancel, one is numerator and another is in denominator, so we can cancel, and what is remaining here? B a plus b by a. Hope you understand this question. Next question is there, how to construct a hexagon 5 centimeter. Oh, it's simple. You have to draw. I don't have now that compass, otherwise I can show you here. Next question is there, factorize this type of easy question while attending the examination. First of all, try to do easy questions so you can score as much as possible good marks, and then after that remaining questions you have to do. Now you can see here, from here we can take -2 common and remaining a plus b. A plus b can we get from here or not, we have to check it. If you take a common, we can get here from a plus b too. So from this two term we have to take a common, from here we have to take minus common. Before starting, first of all you have to decide from which term we have to take common. So here we can take a common, remaining a plus b. From this two term -2 common, remaining a plus b. Again a plus b, a plus b, we can take a plus b common, and the remaining here a minus 2. So a minus 2 is the answer. So hope you understand this factorization, very simple. Next one is there, question factorize a power 4 plus 27x. This also we have to factorize. Now look at here how to factorize this one. I told you before also, if common, first of all we have to take common, and then yeah, after this question I will solve graphically. I forgot that bloggers, 5 bloggers, I will solve graphically questions. Okay, do not worry. After this question, I will solve graphically question. From here, we have to take x common, remaining x power 3 plus 27, and x, we have to convert this in the form of a square minus b square. So x cube plus, we have to write here 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. Now x, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now just in the place of a, what is here? X, and in the place of b, what is here? 3. So just we have to follow the formula, x plus 3, x square minus x into 3 plus 3 square, b square, b means 3, so we can write here 3 square. So x plus 3, x square minus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 square means 9 is the answer. Now next question from graphically, solve graphically. If you are new on my channel, please consider subscribe and please share with your friends so your friends can join and learn uh, questions related with BLE, so it will be helpful for students to give exam. I'm searching questions from graphically. I got questions which was asked in question number 25, solve graphically. Solve graphically, and question is 5x plus 7y is equal to 1, and next one is there, x plus 4y is equal to minus 5. We have to solve this graphically. Actually I don't have graph also now. It will be difficult, but I will show you how to solve graphically. I will graph here only. So let's take a start. Look at properly here, given equation, try to understand what is the given equation here. 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. This one is equation 1, and next equation is x plus 4y is equal to minus 5, equation 2. So first of all we have to solve this in rough, and we have to check what is the answer. Before solving this graphically, we have to check in rough, and we have to check what is the answer of this question. Now what we have to do, we have to make same, either x we have to make same or y we have to make same. Or look, you can see here from equation 2 what we can get value of x. So 4y we have to take this side, what we have to write, minus 5, and 4y when you take back side we have to write minus 4y. Okay, now we get value of x from where? From equation 2. Now put in equation 1. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. Put the value of x here, 5. This you have to do in rough. In the place of x, what we have to write, minus 5 minus 4y plus 7y is equal to 1. 5 into 5 minus 25, minus 5 4s are 20y plus 7y is equal to 1. After this 25 we have to take there, and this 2 we have to subtract. Minus plus minus we have to subtract. When you subtract this, what we get, minus 14y is equal to 1 plus 25. We get up to here. After that, minus 14, we get here 7, 13 we get here, sorry, we get here 13, 13, and here we get here 26. So y is equal to minus 26 by 13, y is equal to minus 2 we get. So value of y is equal to minus 2. Now put the value of y in equation 1 here. X is equal to minus 5 minus 4y. So put value minus 5 minus 4 into minus 2. We get minus 5 minus minus plus 8, and we get here 3. We know that now what we know? We know that answer is 3 and minus 2. 3 and minus 2. We know that. First of all, we have to solve this in rough, and we have to check what is the value of x and what is the value of y. Now, from equation 1, what is there? 5x plus 7y is equal to 1. Now we have to make box. To solve graphically, we have to make it box. X here we have to write, and y here we have to write. After that, what is the value of x? 3. So before 3 and after 3 we have to take either one or two number. So 3 we have to write at the middle. Okay, after 3 we have to, let's write here 4. Okay, and here we have to write on 2. But while writing 4 and 2, we have to check here, when you put the value of x here 2, we get decimal or not. If you will get decimal, then don't put 2. Okay, put another number, 1 put, take 0, take minus 1, like this we have to take. Okay, so if you will get y is equal to in decimal, then it will be difficult to show in graph. So when you put here 2, we have to calculate ourselves x is equal to 2. These numbers we have to put ourselves. Okay, we get here value of x is 3, so we have to write 1 is 3. When x is equal to 3, then y is equal to, we get minus 2, because answer is minus 2 here. You can check here, when you put here 3, what will happen? 5 into 3, 15. So you can write in rough. I'm just solving here to show you. 15 plus 7y is equal to 1. 7y, when you take 15 this side, what will happen? 1 minus 15. 7y is equal to, when you subtract, we get minus 14, and y is equal to minus 14 by 7, we get minus equal to 2. So 2 here we got. Yes. Now if 2, we know that answer is 3 and minus 2. When you draw two lines, it intersect at 3 and minus 2. But to make one straight line, minimum we need 2 to 3 points. To make another straight line, minimum we need 2 to 3 points. 1 point is not sufficient to make a straight line. Okay, so 1 point is already here. Now we have to, when you put here 2, what will get here? 5 2s are 10. Okay, when you take 10 this side, what will happen? 1 minus 10, it will be minus 9 by 7 we get. So we will get in decimal. Put another number, not 2. If you put here 1, then what happen? 5 ones are 5, and when you take this side, we get minus 4. 5 also not possible. When you take 0, what will happen? 0, and when you take 0 this side, it will be 1. 1 by 7 will be answer. If you put minus 1, minus 2, you have to check like this. But if you want to do in decimal, no problem, you can write in decimal 2. So if you put here 2 only, what will happen? 5 2s are 10. When you take 10 this side, 1 minus 10, it will be minus 9. Minus 9 by 7. Minus 9 by 7, right? Or you can write in decimal. 9 divided by 7, we get 1.2. So 1.2. While drawing, we will show you how to draw 1.2. Similarly, if 4, if here 4 in the place of x 4, 5 4s are 20. When you take 20 this side, 1 minus 20, it will be minus 19, and 7 you have to divide. So minus 19 by 7. So 19 divided by 7, how much we get here? 2.7. So 2 we get 2.7. Next question also, next equation also look at equation 2. What is there? X plus 4y is equal to minus 5. Here in decimal, so you are a little bit confused. I will do next question 2, where we will get number x, y. In exam, you will get simple type of question, not like this model questions. You will get simple. At the middle, what is the answer? Answer we know that 3 and minus 2, so we have to write here 3 and minus 2. When x is equal to 3, y will get minus 2. Look at here, when x is equal to minus 3, when you write here 3, plus 4y is equal to minus 5. When you take 3 this side, what happened? 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 3, 4y is equal to minus 8, and y is equal to minus 8 by 4, y is equal to, we get here, minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 is there. After 3 we have to write 4, before 3 we have to write here 2. Now when x is equal to 2, in the place of x, when we will write 2, what will happen? 2 plus 4y is equal to minus 5. 2 we have to take at last, so 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 2, 4y is equal to minus 7, y is equal to minus 7 by 4. And when you divide this to minus 7 by 4, how much we get here? 7 divided by 4, we get 1.75. 1.75. After that, when you take 4 here, in the place of x, we have to write down 4. So 4 plus 4y is equal to minus 5. We have to take this sign. 4y is equal to minus 5 minus 4. 4y is equal to minus 9. Y is equal to minus 9 by 4. So y is equal to how much? Minus 9 by 4 is equal to how much we get here? 9 divided by 4, we get 2.25. 2.25. Now up to here. Now look at here. Now we have to draw the diagram. We have to draw in graph. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, here 1 2 3 4, this side 1 2 3, downside minus 1 minus 2. Now look at here, while doing while plotting on graph, from 0 to 1 there are 10 boxes, which you know or not. Do you know or not? There are 10 boxes. 10 boxes means 0 0.1, 0 0.2. If 1 is here, then 2 is here. It means there are 10 lines are there. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. There is one deep line is there. So now we have to plot. Here is 2 and 1.5. 2 means x-axis 2, this x-axis and y-axis. X means 2, and here is minus 1.5 means we have to go down little bit. 1.2, so we can give here. After that 3 minus 2, 3 here, minus 2 down, so we have to give here point. And after that 4 minus 2.7, so 4 minus 2.7 means down. Suppose we get here. Similarly, next plot we have to do mix this. We have to plot this equation. We have to plot 2 1.75. 2 is here, 1.75, 1 is here, 10.5 means little bit up we have to do. After that 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 means this point, and 4 to 5, 4 to 5 means little bit down. So we have to draw in this way, like this and like this. So here we get 3 minus 2. We know that answer is 3 minus 2, but we have to show in graph. We have to fill this box and we have to plot here on graph, and at last we have to write therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Hope you understand this graphically. One more question I will solve from graph. Solve graphically. Please hit the like button and share with your friends so they can join this live video. 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 5. I will solve in different page so it will be neat and clear for you. Now look at here how to write. Given equations are 2x minus y is equal to 1, equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5, equation 2. So first of all, what we have to do in rough, we have to solve and find out the value of x and y. Now look at here how to find out value of x and y. So what we have to write here, 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 5. First of all, we have to solve and find out the value of x and y. So you can see here x and x, these two cancel. 2x plus x, we get 3x is equal to 1 plus 5, 6. So x is equal to 6 by 3 and x is equal to, we get here 2. Now when you put the value of x in any equation, take equation 2, x plus y is equal to 5. In the place of x, write down 2. 2 plus y is equal to 5. y is equal to 5 minus 2, and we get y is equal to 3. So we know that answer is 2 and 3, but we have to show here box and we have to solve graphically, not by in this process. Just to find out answer, what is the answer where these two line intersect at 2 and 3, we know the answer. Now we have to show in graph. So we know that answer is 2 and 3 from equation 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Now we can get value of y also. 2x minus 1 is equal to y. So y is equal to what we get here? 2x minus 1. Okay. Now we have to construct one box. Hope you are understanding. Here is x, here is y. So what I told you before also, first of all we have to find out answer in this way. Answer is 2 and 3. So in the place of x we have to write 2, and in the place of y we have to write on 3. So when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to how much? 3. Okay. Solve wait a minute. X by 2 plus 2 by x. What is the question there? I forgot. X by 2 plus 2 by x is equal to what was there? 2 or what was there? Please write down once again. It Now in the place of x, when you write 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. It came 3. Now what I told you, before 2 and after 2 we have to write 1 1 value to make one straight line. So after 2 we write 3, and before 2 we have to write here 1. So when you write here 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So we can get here y is equal to 1. In the place of x we have to write what? 3. So we can get value of y. 3 put here, 3 2 the 6. Value of x means 3. 3 2 the 6. 6 minus 1, how much? 5. So we can write here 5. Now next equation we have to take from equation 2. When you take equation 2, x plus y is equal to 5. Now look at here. You can score 5 marks from here. 4 marks from this type of question. Question number 25, and very simple also. No need to learn any formula. Just you have to plot. Very simple. What we have to do, first of all we have to find out the value of y. Y is equal to what? X we have to take here. So we can write 5 minus x. What is the answer? We solve here. What is the answer? 2 and 3 is the answer. So what we have to do, we have to write here 2 and we have to write here 3. Okay. Now what I told you, before 2 and after 2 we have to write one number. So after 2 we have to write here 3, and before 2 we have to write one number. Take 1. Now we have to put here in the place of x we have to write down 1, because x is equal to what is there? 1. In the place of x, when 1, then what is the value of y? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So we have to write here 4. So when 3, 5 minus 3, we get 2. So we have to write on 2. Now look at here how to show in graph. We have to draw in this way. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This y-axis, this x-axis, this x dash, minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, this y dash. Okay. Now what is here? 1 1. So first we have to take x-axis, then y-axis. 1 1 2 3. First x-axis 2, then y-axis 3. So this point. Now 3 5. First x-axis 3. Always we have to take x-axis first. 3, then what is there? 5. And 5 we have to go up. If minus 5, then we have to go downside. Okay. This we have to draw now one straight line. You will get it straight. Okay. Now next equation, 1 4. 1 here, 4 means up this point. After that 2 3. Here 2, here 3. Same point you will get, because answer we know that answer is 2 3 2 3. You can see here also 2 3 2 3. Answer is 2 3. So both lines intersect at 2 3. And next one is there 3 2. 3 here, 2 means up. Now join this. What we get here? 2 3 we have to write, because both line intersect at 2 3. At last we have to write therefore 2 lines intersect at 2 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Hope you understand this question related with graphically. Who asked me solve graphically question? Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Hope you understand this. Now one student comment this question. Now look at this one, how to solve. X by 2 plus, if you have any question please comment. 2 by x is equal to 2. Now we have to take LCM. What is the LCM? 2x. So we have to write here 2x. Now we have to divide the denominator. 2 and 2 cancel, remaining x into x square, plus x and x cancel. When you divide these two cancel, remaining 2 into 2 we get here 4 is equal to 2, or x square plus 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 4x. Now we have to arrange x square, 4x we have to take here, minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here is nothing remaining, so we have to write down 0. Now what we have to do, we have to factorize or use formula. If first and last one you can convert in the form of formula or in the form of whole square, better to convert in the form of formula. So a square minus, and last we can write in the place of 4 2 square. At the middle what we have to write 2ab. 2a means x, b means 2, okay, is equal to 0. Now you can see here x square is same, 2 into 2 4x, 2 square 4. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Formula of a minus b whole square is equal to 0. Okay, up to here. After this, or we can write x minus 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2, or x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Hope you understand this video. So if you have any question please comment as soon as possible so I can solve in this live video. If you have any questions from BLE please comment it so I can solve in this live video. Sivaraj Maga, thank you man, thank you. Please keep supporting, share with our friends too. And next question is there, maximum times repeated, very important question I'm going to do here, and you can score 4 marks. X plus 1 by x. I before all also I uploaded this type of question. If you can visit on class 8 playlist of my YouTube channel, class 8 playlist, and you will get maximum questions solved from BLE said book. So this question very important and you can score 4 marks from here. Now look at here how to solve. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Now x square plus 1 by x square we have to find out. So first of all we have to convert this in the form of a square plus b square. So we can write x square plus 1 by x whole square, a square plus b square. What is the formula of a square plus b square? So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. X and x cancel. What is remaining? X plus 1 by x. What is the value? 5. So we have to write here 5 square minus, here is 2. 2 into 1 we have to write down 2. 5 square means 25 minus 2, and when you subtract we get here 23. Similarly, next question, next what is there? A cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube is there, or a cube plus b cube we can say. First of all we have to convert this in the form of a cube plus b cube. So x cube plus 1 by x whole cube, a cube plus b cube. Now what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? We have to write here a plus b whole cube minus 3 ab and a plus b. So x plus 1 by x. Now what is the value of x plus 1 by x, which is given already 5? So we have to write here 5 whole cube minus x cancel, so 3. And what is the value of x plus 1 by x? Already given here 5, so we have to write down 5. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5 we get 125 minus 5 3 is the 15, and when you subtract this we get 110 is the answer. Hope you understand this video. If you have any question please comment so I can solve in this live video, which is for 1 hour. 1 hour is going to over, so please as soon as possible comment your question so I can solve that question. These questions which I am doing, it's very important for BLE students who is going to give a attempt exam this year, and this type of question is maximum times repeated and fixed question from where you can score 4 marks. Okay, now look at this question here. What is the value of p minus 1 by p, which is 8, and we have to find out the value of p square plus 1 by p square. First of all, we have to convert in the form of a square plus b square, so we can write p square plus 1 by p whole square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. Now what is the formula of a square plus b square? We can write here two formula we have. I will write here formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and next formula is there a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Formula of a square plus b square, two formula we have, but which formula we have to decide use here, it decide by given values. Here minus given means this formula we have to use. If plus here, previous question I done by plus, we have to use this one. Okay, now which one we have to use? Denominator one we have to use, down one we have to use. So we can write here p minus 1 by p, because in the place of b here is 1 by p, in the place of b here is 1 by p. So whole square plus 2ab, plus 2a means p and b means 1 by p. P and p cancel. P minus 1 by p, what is the value here? 8. So we can write 8 square plus 2. 8 square means 64 plus 2. 64 plus 2 means 66. After that, look at the next one. We have to find out p cube minus 1 by p cube. We have to write here p cube minus 1 by p cube. Now first of all, we have to convert this a cube minus b cube. Now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Now we have to use formula of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, I will write here formula a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. So same we have to use here, p minus 1 by p whole cube plus 3a means p, b means what is there, 1 by p, and a minus b. A means p minus b means 1 by p. After this you can see 3 and 3 cancel. P minus 1 by p, what is the value here? 8. So we can write 8 cube plus 3 into 1 means 3 only. What is the value of p minus 1 by p? 8. So we have to write down 8. After that 8 cube, what is the value of 8 cube? 8 into 8 into 8, we get 512 plus 8 3 is 24, and when you add we get answer which is 536. So hope you understand today's live video for class 8 students, for BLE students. If you understand, please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribe, and please share with your friends. Sharing is caring, so please share. I expect more questions from you all, but questions was very limited, so I'm going to stop this live video here. If you have any question, please comment. Maybe I will be back tonight. Thanks for watching till last. Have a great day and best of luck for your exam.